2002 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.3 liter, V8. What we got done on it, still got factory converters right there and right there. Then it wires into a single 3-inch, and we did a muffler delete. That's how you delete the muffler on these. And then continued it out with 2.5-inch tailpipe factory right there. There's the muffler delete right there. And there's the original muffler, gigantic. I will let you guys hear in a minute. Chevy Silverado. Not bad. Much better. You can actually hear it now.
Sound too. Just muffler delete.
Hope you guys like it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for.